Hey guys, so here's the first follow-up video. I will say it wasn't supposed to rain the day that I made the weed killer, which was Friday. It's hot, it's 99 degrees, perfect day for the weed killer. 3 to 4 hours after I sprayed, we got a massive summer downpour. You can see right here, this is the first weed I sprayed in the video. It's dead. This one started to die, but the water must have washed it, and then a lot of these are dying. The grass didn't die. That weed's dying, those aren't. That is one dead weed. So some of the weeds, I guess the downpour we had saved them. These giant dandelions, they're half dead. So I think I mix up another batch and hit them a couple more times and they're gonna die. These ginormous weeds, you can see that one didn't die and that one didn't die, but these dandelions did. I think one other coat with no rain and these suckers are done. So it killed a lot of the driveway weeds.